Dear friend, we are using router for the Wi-Fi signal. That means for creating Wi-Fi signals around our houses, right? It is because we are using desktop, laptop and smartphone also, right? And it is important to share one internet for the cost benefit, but it is also more important to save our health, right? There is always a hazards of the any signals, any electromagnetic wave signals. There is also a long time effect of that signals. Okay, so I want to recommend you that whenever you are using only desktop, then you can switch off your Wi-Fi signal, right? I'm using a router of the D-Link DIR600L model. Okay, now I am showing you how to simply deactivate Wi-Fi signal and activate whenever needed to run your laptop and your smartphone. Okay, it is so simple. Just first of all, I will log in to the router. Here I am showing you 192.168.0.1 index.asp, right? So here I will enter my username admin. You know, for the D-Link router, the username is admin and I am entering my password. Okay, now click on login. The router will enter into your setting. The first screen that what I have set for my internet connection is came here. We will click on manual setup and we will again click on wireless connection. Okay, click on manual wireless setup. Okay, you will reach here. Watch that I have already deactivated Wi-Fi. Okay, the first one is Wi-Fi protected setup. Second one is wireless network setting. What I will do, I will only check this box, enable wireless in the second zone. Okay, then I am watching that the first one is got automatically enabled and other also window already have its own setting. Okay, now I will click on save setting. Whenever I will save the setting by enabling the Wi-Fi, then we have to reboot it. Reboot now. Now you can watch on your router that there is a light signal of Wi-Fi generator. Okay, just like this signal. Okay, so you will watch that the Wi-Fi light has been turned on because I just enabled the router for running our laptops and others. Okay, watch this signal. This signal will light up, right? Now if I want to again deactivate the Wi-Fi, then I recommend that keep this window at open condition whenever you are working on the laptop, because it is very simple to deactivate and activate whenever it is needed, right? And I think for your comforts of working with your internet connection, you can remember the passwords of your router so that whenever you open your browser, it gets automatically opened, right? There is no any unsecurity about this, because until you are enabling other user by allowing password connectivity, nobody can use your wireless around your periphery of the house, right? So it is so simple, friend. I think you will enjoy this video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay.